At first, the project sounded simple, just a calculator that adds two binary numbers, but once we started, we realized how detailed it actually was. We had to build everything from the ground up using only full adder circuits and ICs, which meant understanding exactly how addition works inside a digital system.
Our calculator runs completely on full adder circuit, made from basic ICs. We used 4 input switches so we could enter two 4-bit binary numbers. That's how we tell the circuit what to add. The adders handle each bit one by one. When one stage produces a query, it passes it on the next, just like how addition works on digital system. Once the circuit finishes the calculation, the output goes through a decoder that sends the result to the 7-segment display. That way, we can actually see the sum in decimal form instead of a just bunch of blinking LEDs. Well, it might look simple, but getting every wire, switches, and IC to work together smoothly took a lot of patience and a lot of troubleshooting, since we encountered many times that somewhere are loose. Therefore, we had to unplug and unplug numerous times, which was very time consuming.
We started from the beginning, designing the circuits, running simulations, and then building everything on the breadboard. There were plenty of sleepless nights, long hours of debugging, and moments when we honestly thought it would never work. Most of the time, we worked together after the class, trying to fix small errors that took hours to find. We even stayed at our friend's house so we could work late and help each other out. Other groups were doing the same project, so we shared ideas, compared circuits, and helped one another to troubleshoot. All of this was happening while we were also reviewing for our midterm exams. Balancing the project and studying was tough, but we pushed through it together. We definitely faced a lot of struggles along the way. One of our first problems was the frame we made. It turned out to be the wrong size for our circuits board, so we had to redo it and make sure everything actually fit. Then we realized we didn't have enough materials. We kept running out of jumper wires, ICs, and other components, so we had to buy more several times just to keep going. After all the late nights, rewiring, and countless fixes, we finally made it work. Seeing the 7-segment display show the correct sum for the first time was honestly one of the best moments. All the effort, frustrations, and sleepless nights were worth it. It might look like a simple circuit, but to us, it represented weeks of hard work and teamwork. Every working LED and every correct output reminded us for how we come. From the first massive breadboard, we were all exhausted, but at the same time, proud because we built something that actually worked from scratch, using only logic, persistence, and a lot of trial and error. After all the late nights, rewiring, and countless fixes, we finally made it work. Seeing the 7-segment display show the correct sum for the first time was honestly one of the best moments. All the effort, frustrations, and sleepless nights were worth it. It also reminded us what being engineering student is really about. It's not just solving problems on paper, but actually building something real, even when it's challenging. All those long nights, mistakes, and do-overs made the experience worth it. In the end, we didn't just make a calculator. We proved to ourselves that we can make things work, no matter how tough it gets.